Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janu and I am back with another video. If you're new to this channel, I talk about all things intentional and low impact living. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you sustainable swaps that you can find at Target part 2. Now, if you haven't seen the first video, make sure you check it out. I will link it right here. So let's hop into the video. All right, so the first one that I like is Native Deodorant. Now, I know I talk about Hey Humans deodorant a lot, which I really like, but I think that this is just another option because I know deodorant's such a hard thing. Like, there is no one size fits all. I will say that I used Native until I used Hey Humans, or until they came out. And Hey Humans is about, I think, $5, whereas Native is about $12. This one is cucumber mint. It smells really, really nice. I just wish that all of their deodorants were plastic free. I just don't get why they haven't transitioned all of them to being plastic free if like they really want to be sustainable. But I think they were also recently sold to one of the bigger companies. Again, like, I'm all for the companies, these big companies, for making, you know, strides to being more sustainable. But again, I just offer the Hey Humans one because it is cheaper and I want to save some money. And if it works, it works. So if you have tried out Hey Humans and it doesn't work for you, I would try out Native next. You can easily find this in Target. Now, it's so funny because I feel like there's so many deodorants out in Target that are plastic free, which I'm going to be doing a video on that as well. But this one is definitely a good option. I do prefer the packaging better than Hey Humans. I feel like the Hey Humans one, like every time I try to put the lid back on, it's like a struggle, whereas like this one is a lot easier. And then once you're done with this, you can just simply compost it at the end of life. The next one is Pacifica Beauty. Now, this is some concealer that I use for contour. Now, they have a return program, which I will put all that information in the description box below for you guys, but they have clean and vegan beauty. I've used their foundation before that I've really liked. They have a pretty good variety of products that can work on different skin colors, because you know, with sustainable products, as much as I want everyone to be sustainable, a lot of these products don't actually work for every skin tone. So I like that Pacifica is at a pretty good price range and you can find them at Target, so they're easily accessible. And I like that they have a return program. I do think that they probably use too much plastic. I think they could do a little bit of work on that. But I think all in all, if you're looking for a beauty brand that's trying to be better and has a recycling program and is at like an okay price point, I think Pacifica could be a good option. The next one is Colgate Mouthwash. I know it can be a little controversial because Colgate is like one of the big brands, but I will say that if you're someone like me who has a hard time, you know, when it comes to like teeth stuff, like switching to sustainable products, like this could be a good option, because I feel like I haven't found a sustainable plastic-free mouthwash that actually does what you want it to do. Even with me for toothpaste, I use, which we'll talk about in a second, I use like a sustainable toothpaste. And then I also have like Sensodyne as well, because I have just like gum issues sometimes. So, you know, even though I'm not always 100% plastic free, I try as much as possible and only use the plastic toothpaste when I need to. But goes same thing with mouthwash. Like, if it's working for you, it's working for you. And I think that it's good that more people are demanding sustainable products and we're making these big companies actually, you know, use these sustainable products. Now, this one doesn't have alcohol. I think it comes in about 3 different flavors. And yeah, I was really surprised when I saw this at Target. I was like, oh wow, it's an aluminum can and you can easily recycle this. Even the lid is recyclable as well. Although, interesting, there is plastic here. So I'm not sure if you can recycle that, but you can definitely recycle the bottle. When I see like big brands actually making more of an effort, whether they actually want to or not, I think it's just good to make it more accessible and easy for people to get access to it. And then there is Rhyme and Reason hair care. Now, this comes in a bottle that is made from 100% recycled plastic. Now, I've tried this and honestly, it's okay. For me, I think there are better options out there. I think even NYC is a better option for someone with my hair texture. Now, they do have some for curly hair, which I have not tried. They have like maybe 3 or 4 different lines, but I do like that they're made out of 100% recycled plastic and that they're 1% for the planet. And they also cruelty-free, vegan, 96% naturally derived, dermatologist approved, and they don't have sulfates or parabens or mineral oil, which I think is great. But I think for me, this brand it's okay. I don't think it's the best one out there, but it's definitely an okay brand. Looking for a new shampoo conditioner brand, you can definitely check out Rhyme and Reason. And then I was talking about toothpaste earlier. So Hey Humans actually has toothpaste as well. And I like them because they are, again, cheaper than David's. So this one comes in an aluminum tube, and this one has fluoride as well, because I know a lot of, whether you're for it or not, I know there's a lot of people that want fluoride, and a lot of times they don't switch to low waste or zero waste toothpaste is because they don't have fluoride. But this is definitely an option that does have fluoride. So if you're looking for it, I think again, it was like probably $5 or so. I would have to look it up. I'll put it on the screen. But again, this one is vegan. It's also made in the US. And I would highly recommend this toothpaste. David's toothpaste, I think, is also a good one, but I mean, it's cheaper. So if it's doing the same job and this one's cheaper, I'm definitely gonna go with this one. And, I'm also supporting, a Black-owned business because it's owned by Jada Pinkett Smith. That, I also like that as well. But I would definitely check out Hey Humans toothpaste next time you're in Target. If 2 tabs don't work for you, I feel like this is definitely the next best option. So the next one is Pyt Beauty. Now, it's made out of some recycled plastic. I think that there's a long way to go with this, because then it's like, is it actually being recycled properly when you throw it in the recycling bin? I'm not sure. I really wish that we could exactly know where our recycling is going, but I will say that the color is really, really pretty. This is what I actually have on my lips right now. So it's this brown lipstick with this lip gloss. It's a really pretty color. When it comes to lipsticks, it's just so hard because finding lipsticks for me that work on my skin complexion is very difficult, because all the zero waste ones or refillable ones that I've found tend to just not work for my skin color. So this has been kind of the next best option, and I've been really enjoying it. It applies very, very well, and it also smells good too. So they are in Target, and I definitely think they're a little bit on the pricier side. But I think this color is really, really pretty. It is, I don't know, I can't see it, but I'll put it in the description box. So you can check them out if you're looking for a more conscious beauty brand at Target. And then the last one is Honest Beauty. So they've come a long way. They definitely use a lot of plastic, but I think they are making strides to being a little bit better. So they actually have blush that you can find that comes in an aluminum container, and it also comes packaged in a paper box. This is such a cute little container because it has the mirror as well, and it has the blush that comes in a aluminum tin, and I think it's great, and it just applies very, very well. It's so it's a little bit creamy, and it's really pretty on the skin, and you can just dab a little bit, and I've been really liking this blush. I've been using it past couple weeks or so, but yeah, it's a really cute container. And because I thought it was gonna come in plastic, because I do think they still have a good amount of stuff that comes in plastic, but I think I like the fact that they use clean ingredients and they're working towards a more plastic-free future. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried any of these products. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.